Hi, and welcome to Cuneiform Chat. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the steps you need to get your first AI agent live. We'll go from sign up to a working Telegram bot that answers questions from your own documents. No coding required. Let's get started. Head over to cuneiform.chat and click Get Started Free. You'll see a sign-in modal. Enter your email address or sign in with Google or Microsoft. No credit card required. I will use email to log in. Check your inbox for a magic sign-in link. Click it to verify your email and access the platform. Once you're in, you'll land on the welcome screen. This is where you set up your workspace. Give it a name that represents your organization. I'll name mine Cuneiform Test. You can always change this later in settings. Hit Get Started to continue. Welcome to your dashboard. Notice the Getting Started checklist on the right. It tracks your progress through 6 setup steps. Step 1 is already complete. Great, your workspace is ready. Now let's give your AI agent something to work with. We'll upload a document to the knowledge base. Navigate to Content in the sidebar, then click to Upload. I'm selecting a real SEC annual report PDF, but you can upload various document types. The document uploads and starts processing automatically. Cuneiform Chat parses and embeds your content, so your AI agent can search through it intelligently. Within moments, the status changes to Ready. Your document is now fully indexed and available for your agents to reference. You can click on any document to preview it directly in the platform. Handy for verifying your uploads. Even before creating an agent, you can chat directly with any document. Click Chat with Document, and you'll see suggested prompts to get started. I asked, "What is the document about?" and got a clear summary. It correctly identified this as a Form 10-K filed by Safe and Green Holdings Corp. Asking about the main points covered, the AI breaks down all major sections: financials, risk factors, and revenue segments, all pulled from the content. The knowledge base is loaded and working. Now for the exciting part, let's create an AI agent and give it a persona. Back on the dashboard, we're now at step 3 of 6. Create an agent. Let's click through. On the Create Agent page, give your agent a name and description. I'm creating a legal expert agent, an expert on legal documents. Click Generate to open the Agent Persona Builder. Under Custom Build, you can fine-tune your agent's role, communication style, and verbosity. The Platform Rules tab shows built-in safety guardrails, no fabrication or professional impersonation. These ensure your agent stays reliable. If you don't want to build from scratch, use a preset. I'll select Legal and Compliance Advisor, careful, precise, and authoritative. The builder generates complete instructions. You can fine-tune operational boundaries and knowledge integration rules on the left. The right panel shows the full generated persona text. Click Apply to Agent when you're happy. Back on the agent form, the persona is applied. Below that, configure the LLM. I'm using GPT 4.1 Mini with a low temperature of 0.2 for precise, factual responses. I've also enabled Show Document References for source citations. Scroll down to Knowledge Access Control. Choose which documents your agent can access. Exclude Mode gives access to everything except what you select. Include Mode restricts access to only selected documents. I'll leave it open so the agent can access all uploaded content. After creating the agent, notice the status is set to Testing. This means only you can interact with it through the playground. The dashboard now shows 3 of 6 steps complete. Next up, testing your agent in the playground. On the agent's page, you can see your legal expert agent with its testing badge. Click Test to open the playground interface. The playground opens as a side panel. It's a live chat interface where you can test your agent's responses before going live. I asked about operating segments, and the agent responded with a detailed breakdown sourced directly from the SEC filing. Perfect. Back on the dashboard, 4 of 6 steps done. Time to activate the agent for the world to see. The agent is working perfectly. Now let's activate it and connect it to a real messaging channel, Telegram. Go to your agent's edit page and change the status from Testing to Active. This enables channel integrations. Dashboard shows 5 of 6, just 1 step left, connecting your first channel. Navigate to Integrations to see available channels like WhatsApp and Slack. We'll connect Telegram for this demo. Click Help to open the built-in setup guide. It walks you through every step without leaving the platform. Step 1. Open Telegram and search a bot father. Send the /newbot command to create a new bot instance. The setup guide highlights each step as you go. Enter a display name for your bot. I named mine My Legal Agent. Now BotFather asks for a username. It must end in bot. The guide highlights the username step. Now choose a username ending in bot. I'll use Cuneiform Legal Expert Bot as my unique identifier. BotFather confirms the bot is created and provides an API token. Copy this token. You'll need it in the next step. Back in Cuneiform Chat, select your agent, paste the bot token, and click Connect Bot to finish. Done. Your Telegram bot is now connected and active. You'll see a green status badge and a sharing option. Click QR code to get a scannable link, perfect for sharing with your team or customers instantly. And here it is, live on Telegram. The agent provides accurate answers about the CEO's background, all sourced from the SEC filing. Back on the dashboard, you can see the full picture. All 6 getting started steps are now complete. In just a few minutes, we went from 0 to a fully functional AI agent answering real questions on Telegram. No code, no complex setup. You can connect additional channels like Slack or WhatsApp just as easily and upload more documents to expand your knowledge base. Head over to cuneiform.chat to start your free trial. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.